second of two powerful storms lashed the Oregon coast Monday, bringing down power lines, flooding roadways, and near the Kilchis River north of Tillamook, destroying Gary Petty's barn.
When it started about 8:30 this morning, the first section went down on the southwest corner. Then it went down about 3 or 4 different sections. The last piece went down a little after 9. When this barn was built in 1930, it was finished in late fall, right before Thanksgiving time. They had a big barn dance in it. The whole road was invited. But it was built with a composition roof, and it was one of the first ones done. The Thanksgiving storm of 1930 took all the shingles off and blew them all the way up the valley. Flooded the barn 2.5 feet deep. And when they built this barn, they dug a hole to put it in. Crazy, but that's what they did.
Forecasters say the winds will ease off Monday afternoon, but expect blustery conditions to continue into Wednesday. Reporting for the Oregonian in Garibaldi, this is Stuart Tomlinson.